How to send snaps without letting save on chat. First thing you have to do is go ahead and open up your Snapchat. And here, as you can see, I've clicked a quick picture. So if you want to send your snap without having to let it save on chat, then there is only one settings that you can change. On the right side, you'll find different options like edit, draw, stickers, cutout, music, search, and many more. What you have to do is tap on the bottom one where it shows you the timer. So just tap on the timer. And if you set this to no limit, snaps and stories set to no limit can be saved by friends. And once you remove it from here, you can set the timer for how long you want to view the snap. So let's say if I just want them to view my snap for 5 seconds, I'm just going to choose this. Anything other than this, they won't be able to save the snap on chat. So select this, now tap on send, and now select the people that you want to send to, and now just tap on send again. So once you've sent it, they won't be able to save on chat. Let me send one that can be saved. So here I'm going to choose this to no limit and send this. So here I'm going to show you guys what I mean. All right, so let's just send it like this. So this first snap was sent, so it cannot be saved. So there is no option to save it in chat. It's only delete. But the second one, you can save it in chat and the other person can too. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.